Hello, welcome to video. First, we add Twixtor to our clip. You can learn how to make Twixtor from the cards above from the video. We add blur curves. Make the same settings as I did. Left click on the video clip, select it by pressing U like I did, and then press F9. Make the same settings as I did. Copy me. Aggressive zoom in finished. Now it's time for aggressive zoom out. Here I copy zoom in and Twixtor to other clips. To copy, left click on the box on the left and press Ctrl+C to paste. Press Ctrl+V. Here I copy my effects and add them to other clips. I speed up the video so you don't get bored, then we move on to how to do the aggressive zoom out. We add Twixtor. We add blur curves. Make the same settings as I did. Left click on the video clip, select it by pressing U like I did, and then press F9. Make the same settings as I did. Copy me. I'm adding Twixtor and zoom effects to other clips. We use Ctrl+C to copy the effects, and Ctrl+V to paste. I'm speeding up this part so you don't get bored. It's over. If there is something you do not understand or have in mind, you can mention it in the comments and I can help you.